Hi, I'm Jan with Early Childhood Connections. I'm the infant toddler specialist here. And it has been recently in the news about a child in our community that came into the hospital with signs of shaken baby syndrome. This is a form of child abuse that occurs when a baby has been violently shaken. The National Center on Shaken Baby Syndrome identifies inconsolable crying by an infant as being the #1 trigger of shaken baby syndrome abusive head trauma. There is probably nothing more stressful than a crying infant who, no matter what you do, you can't seem to console them. This brings me to the topic of period of purple crying. The period of purple crying is part of normal child development, and all babies go through it. Dr. Ronald G. Barr and other researchers have studied this for over 30 years. Their findings are that every healthy infant at about 2 weeks of age will begin to increase their crying. It peaks at the beginning or the end of the 2nd month of life, and then begins to decline, ending at about 5 months of age. During the peak of crying, infants can increase crying for a few minutes up to 5 hours per day. And just like any other stage of development where infants vary as individuals, so it is with the period of purple crying stage. Research also indicates that babies tend to increase their crying in the late afternoon or evening hours, just when the adults are the most tired. There are many things that you can try to soothe the baby during these crying bouts, including carrying, walking, bathing, taking the baby outside for a walk, offering a pacifier, breastfeeding, singing, or holding your baby close with skin-to-skin contact. However, know that even doing all you can sometimes will not console the baby. This can be very frustrating. If you are feeling frustrated and a lot of loss of what to do, it is okay to put your baby down in a safe place and walk away in order to calm yourself. Then go back and check on the baby after 10 to 15 minutes to make sure he or she is okay. Early Childhood Connections is committed to support parents and caregivers with training and resources about the period of purple crying. You can contact us by phone 605-342-6464 or by going to our website at www.earlychildhoodconnections.com. You can also contact the National Center at www.don'tshake.org. Anyone who contacts us about this topic can also receive a free period of purple crying DVD describing in more detail what it is, along with tips for crying, soothing, and coping. We also have flyers and posters that we can give you to hang on your refrigerator or post in your child care program. See you next time on another episode of Mini Morsels.